Want to win friends and influence people? Stop trying so hard to be likable. That's not charm. It's desperation in disguise. Most people act like vending machines of compliments, then Google how to be charismatic when they still feel invisible. I'm the Dark Light Mentor, and I'll say what your parents and Dale Carnegie wouldn't. If your idea of interesting is nodding and avoiding disagreement, congrats, you're forgettable. Influence isn't about being agreeable. It's about being unignorable. Want respect? Stop blending in. Speak like your words matter. Look like you know something others don't. And stop treating every interaction like a performance review. Let's play a game. Think of one person you always try to impress. Don't fake it, we all do. A boss, a friend, someone with great hair and a big ego. Now ask yourself, are they even watching? Or are you performing for someone too self-absorbed to notice? Drop their role in the comments. Just boss, crush, friend. That's where the shift begins. Here's the myth. Talking about yourself doesn't win people. Making them feel seen does. Not with fake questions, real ones. People aren't craving conversation. They're starving for recognition. Your words fall flat because they don't land. Ask what rattles them. Compliment what others miss. That's not flattery. It's psychic warfare. Influence isn't in speeches. It's in micro moments. A look, a pause, a line like, "I see what you did there," that hits like a mind read. Real influence doesn't ask for attention. It hijacks it. And if you wait to feel confident before acting charismatic, you'll die full of potential and empty of power. Part 2 of your challenge. Tomorrow, find someone who makes you shrink. You know who. Now, break the usual script. No safe small talk. Say something real, sharp, or unexpected. Bonus if it snaps them out of autopilot. Don't aim to impress, aim to disrupt. That's how you shift the room. And while you're at it, like subscribe and slap that bell icon like it's the self-doubt you're done babysitting. Because we're not here to blend in, we're here to bend the room. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to take this game to dangerous levels. Not just how to be heard, but how to be remembered. See you tomorrow, unless you choose to stay invisible.